my guy.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Dude, we cannot keep up with you, dude. Look at this. You have a couple more additions since last time we saw you. I see some new wheels.
Yep.
I see some new tires. And a little more suspension going on here, too. It's looking good right there. So he has the Icon.
Stage 8.
Stage 8, okay. So you have the...
Custom built for the ProComp 6-inch kit.
So he has the ProComp 6-inch lift kit on here right now, and the Icon kit. It's custom made for the ProComp kit, right?
For this truck and for the for the ProComp. So shout out to Icon.
You got a billet aluminum, right? Upper control arm right there. Dang, oh my gosh, that looks really good. So yeah, there's a reservoir right there. Come on here to the rear, another reservoir right there, and see if we can kind of.
You have the rear links.
It's a little tight in here. Let's see if we can squeeze. There we go. We made it. All right. So there's. No, I don't fit. My head's too big. Yeah, billet aluminum, lower links. Oh my gosh. I mean, that just looks good right there.
I switched back to Method to put on the new Heritage center cap that you can order now. With the shout out to the old Toyota colors.
Oh, that's from Method?
Clean. Yeah, those are.
They do the Heritage Toyota colors?
Yeah.
No way, what? Oh, we got a B. Well, the B likes it. Yeah, so we got the
right on Method's website.
yeah, that's cool right there. So you can get the Toyota Heritage colors right from Method for the center cap. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so those just came out.
And these are the same tires, the 37,
tires,
12 and a half, 20 ProComps, 20 by 9s on the wheels.
20 by 9s, yep.
What's the offset?
0 offset.
Power Step XL is for the lifted trucks.
Extra 3 inches of drop, easier to get into the truck. So my family appreciates it.
That's the lifted truck version right there. So it comes down another 3 inches. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty
that's
sweet.
What's new: suspension, wheels, and the step.
So now this is a good time to compare the new Anza lights I put in recently here to the premium bougie version of the Tundra headlights here that Derek has. These are OEMs right here with the projectors, and then these over here are the Anzo lights with the projectors, which look very similar projectors to the OEMs. And then here on the side, pretty much an OEM look right there, and then on mine has the LED strip all the way up top there down the side, and then Derek's over here. That's the strip here goes in the bottom right there, kind of wraps around the intake vent right there, and that's pretty much the main differences aside from like this chrome like finish in here on the OEM side, and then over here it's all black. So there's a visual difference for you guys right there. Looking good. Both look good, but mine look a little better. I'm just saying. I'm kidding. Yours looks good on yours because you have that satin chrome like finish around the grill. Your grill surrounds the same kind of finish, so it kind of ties in with that a little bit, but things are sitting right. Wow. So nice. Although you gotta get those lights, bro, on the upper grill. Slacking. Just that empty.
That's a 2023 project. I need to hold some things till next year.
Also did some type of like catalytic converter shield cable type thing. I see it right there, I think.
Yeah, you got to go under. That's the cat wrap from Pop and Lock.
Cat wrap.
So another alternative to protect those converters down there.
I see.
And for us with the 6-inch lift, all those shields people are making aren't working for us.
6-inch kit.
You can't run those
I can't
shields.
run anymore, the shields. So that's a good alternative right there,
So
for sure.
This will protect you, and you know, no one else has anything that works
they're out
like
there.
that.
They're out there. Those cat thieves are out there lurking, dude. You gotta get right, man, these days, because they take those things out, especially on a truck that's lifted too. They're in and out in like a minute.
Yeah.
It's too easy for them.
Yeah, which they're not going to be in and out in a minute on this. But.
Nope. On to, I guess, the next one, sadly, but it is what it is. On the scenes right now of Derek taking them photos for the gram. It was Mini Cooper, if you guys know the gram. Give him a follow. Taking my own photos, getting them reels. But dude, these headlight DRLs are absolutely insane. In the midday time, dude, it's like a headlight almost. It's crazy. But only thing I'm not gonna say messed up on, but wiring these guys here on the side into the parking lights is that the front ambers are always on because I tapped those into a fuse, And then these aren't on with those. Looks kind of weird, but whatever. It's only the daytime, I guess, so no big deal. But yeah, little OCD thing right there. Did some videos and photos here for the gram. Derek's gonna pull up, grab a few more, and we out. Yeah, those steps are beefy though. So these things aren't out yet. They're in pre-production right now. Working out a few kinks from AMP, but yeah, that's the lifted truck version. Definitely shows a lot more than the standard version when these things are tucked in. What's next though for your truck? Can you give us a little something? Little, if there's anything coming, of course, but people would love to know.
There is not much, to be honest.
That's the plan right now?
Moment. I think I've done so much already.
How about a bright blue wrap, no? I thought you were talking about that.
If you want to wrap it, I'll consider it, but I ain't paying for one.
Okay, so I ain't gonna sponsor you either, so I guess we're at a standstill there. Hey, what's up? Oh, hi, doggy. Hi, dog. Oh, hi, doggy. Oh, you chose. I'm the chosen one.
That's great. It's beautiful.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's nice out here for sure.
Yeah,
but
honestly, if I had to give you a sneak preview, the only thing that's really on the burner to be next is to finally get rid of the chrome.
okay, all right, for sure.
But I think
Well,
that's really the main thing, and then possibly removing the cover and putting a rack system in the back,
that'd be sick.
so that way I can kind of switch between the time of the year.
But can you use that rack with the bed cover at the same time, or is it one or the other?
I don't believe so. Not this
Dang.
one. So I can
Well-
always sell this cover and get a roll-up one that would possibly work.
There you go. Where there's a will,
There's a way.
there's a way. Ooh, dude, brutal. This dirt's packed so tight. And we are aired all the way up. It's a small trail though, nothing crazy. I would love to rip a donut or two right here, but dude, that is, nope. That is like packed hard as it can get. Dude, that's basically cement right there. Nope, not today. Not today, not tomorrow. In the meantime, did someone shoot that sign up? Subject to flooding sign. Guys went crazy on that one, but where is Derek? Let's get them rollers. Not a bad place to chill anyways. It's quite scenic out here. I hear him.